Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on an UltraTac A7. Comes in this little box. This is a tiny little guy here, runs on AAA cells. So we're going to go ahead and show you the max lumen output on this is 180 lumens. Sorry, the sticker is on here. Now I was sent this by UltraTac directly. They wanted me to test and review this. They do have an Amazon store, and I'll leave a link to this later on in the video. Also have a special little discount on this as well. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. This one here being really tight in here. You got to open up both ends, slide it out. And it does come with a little user manual. Now I'm going to be using a lithium one-time use 1.5 volt cell. Now you can use regular alkaline or AAA rechargeables as well. Comes with a diffuser, really nice. Here's the keychain portion of this, so you can make it quick access for your key ring. Definitely great for EDC. And here's the light. A lot of knurling on this light as well. Really tiny on this light. There's the tail clicky. Does have a little clip on there, and you can remove it. You don't have to have it on there. Knurling here, here, here. Definitely going to be good for you to be able to just hold that like a pencil. Where the key ring is going to go into right here. And I had done a previous review of their A1, which is a AA. So it's really nice to be able to get my hands on this one. Very nice style and design on this. Definitely has more of a tactical look to it. So now I'm going to take a look at the special optics here. This is running the Cree XP-G2 LED. Can't really see the LED in there too much, but it's going to give a real floody beam on this. So now let me go ahead and take it apart, and I'll show you the inside. Does have some grease on the threads. It's good. Spring on that. And I'll take the head off the light there so you can see it. Grease there on the threads as well. Straight contact point on the head. And we got that screwed in. It's going to be how you work the light as well. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the battery I'm going to be using. Is an Energizer lithium cell. One-time use on this. These are not rechargeable. Okay, you can get these on Amazon pretty cheap. As well as another one of my favorites I like using are the EBLs. So now that we've got this ready to go for the UI, show it to you with the diffuser here. Goes on just like that. You don't have to put it all the way on. We're going to go ahead and turn that on. So as you can see, you can turn the head to go through the light outputs if you choose. Some people choose to be able to turn that and go through the light outputs this way. Pretty cool. There's the highest output on that. A lot of light all the way around. 180 lumens, especially for emergency uses. Now, unfortunately, this doesn't tail stand, so you can't stand it up. You have to lean it up against something, or you can possibly hang something on a clip above your head, and this will provide more than enough light for a room. And of course, this does glow after a while. Alright. So now we're going to go through the UI here, as you can see. And you can use the tail switch, full press to go through the light outputs. Or you can half press that. It does have strobe. That is a constant rate on that strobe. And that's the full light output. There's the beam on there. Real floody on that. A lot of bleeding into the spill area. See there. Hold it up about 2 feet above the table. Looks real good. And it does have a glow ring on the inside there as well. Kind of hard to see on the inside there. Right around the edges here. Alright, so let's take this tiny little guy outside, see how he does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the UltraTac A7. See the glow ring there. And a little AAA keychain light. Let's go ahead and get started. Starts off on the highest output. 180 lumens. 35 feet to that water spout from where I'm standing. 65 feet to that tree. Had some really crazy weather here. It's like winter time here, closer to summer. There it is on the fence. Had a lot of rain last 5 days. Again, water spout 35 feet. And it is faintly making the tree of life. So that's 138 feet. Real floodiness, or should I say real floody on the beam. There it is there before and after. And that's the keychain light. This little thing. Pretty crazy. Alright. And we're going to go down to the next level because quite a bit less light output here. And it's got some PWM on here. Pretty typical on these smaller lights. But you can easily see. Now I can't see this with my naked eye, but definitely still got some pretty good range, usually making 35 feet at this light output. Now of course, after this you have strobe. Alright, hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed those night shots. Here's the ring here that I put on there included, and this quick release clip and hook all in one. That way you can clip it on anything you want, including your key ring. So I think I forgot to show you the O-rings here. Does come with it, it's nice. So final thoughts on this. Pretty good light output for this size of light. You're not going to get a huge amount of lumens out of it, but it is impressive for what it does. Definitely more for everyday carry, pocket carry, keychain, and you're going to always carry those with you. So this will be good for emergencies. So if you need to stick a key in your door, you can't see, have no lights on, or you need to walk in the dark from your car to your house or your house to your car, this is going to give you plenty of light to be able to light your path, which is nice. So again, I want to thank UltraTac for sending me this to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, this is actually a complete kit. It does come with a battery, an alkaline, but I used a lithium cell in this test. It also is a little bit brighter using this type of battery. So just to let you know, you will see a slight improvement in lumen output as well as run time. Alright, well, I'll leave a link to this flashlight, keychain light, down in the description for you, and you can get that from their Amazon store. And that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of keychain lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.